continue. So these people, Julia, have earned already. My gosh, how much did she pay? $41. This person earned also 5,400 SBD. Now, I want to show you the very good opportunity. Okay, the very good opportunity that all you need to do is to refer two friends each. Again, all you need to do is to refer two friends each. All right? If those members under you did not refer people, she is not going to earn. There is no business in the world that if you don't work, you earn. It's a universal law that if you work, you pay. When you go to your boss, to your company, and you don't work, your boss will not pay you. Yung hot copy ko, ah. Will not pay you. All right? And if you have business and if you don't open it and you don't get customers, no one eat to your restaurant and you don't earn. If you have a store and you don't open it and you don't know how to get your customers, nobody will buy your products in the store, you don't earn. So you need to have people so that you will earn. But in this program, you just need two friends. Now, this is the good thing. This is the easy cup binary plan. All you need to do is when you get a friend, you will put it under your left and you will put it under your right. All right? Once you have 41 new members, example, they chose to join 41, you put it on your left and you put it on your right. Only two when you refer people. And once you have one pair, ta-da! You get paid $20. How much did you pay? How much did you pay? Maybe $8.99. Maybe $19.99. Or maybe 41 membership. But once you have 41 pair, you get $20 commission, even you pay $8.99. Hello? You only pay $8.99 and you will get paid $20. You don't need to pay 41. You don't need to join in 41 to get $20. No. Even you join in $8.99, once you have one pair of 41, you will get paid $20. My goodness. How much did you pay? $8.99. When you have 41 pair, how much you are going to earn, Mario? How much? Oh, where's Mario? Huh? Kali, once you join $8.99 in cap, how much you're going to make when you have 41 pair? How much? Unmute your microphone, Kali. Or Sabrina, unmute your microphone. How much you going to earn, Kali?
$20.
Very good. How much did you pay? Only? How much? How much did you pay? $8 and
$8.99.
Oh my gosh. Where you can get a company that you only pay $8.99 and you will earn $20. That's why this is a very good business opportunity. Wow. And for example, this is you. You registered 19. Membership, not an investment. Membership, not an investment. And then another person, because their money is only $19, $19.99. You have one pair, I will pay you Oh, I'm sorry. That's $13. Wow, that's $13, my friend. Once you have 19, $13. How much did you pay? $19 only. And every time you get pair of 19, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13, 13. Do you understand that? Do you see? Do you see how good is this business? If you don't do this business, how can you buy your new car? You need to pay 5,000 SBD in other company. You need to pay 1,000 SBD and they will scam you. I'm telling you. But in this business, I will show you. I will show you that that I'm paying commission every day. Give me 10 more minutes. Give me 10 more minutes. All right? Let me drink my coffee first, huh? Okay, hold on. Let me relax. Okay? Because it's only 5 a.m. in the morning here. Okay? Amazing program. My gosh. Love this opportunity because it will help you earn money. Believe me. That's why don't listen to those people who want to do that are negative. But that's fine. You cannot please a lot of people. So, when you pay $8.99 and you have $19.99 pair, I'll pay you $13. When someone join you and you put it on your left, the $8.99 and the $8.99 again on the right, you get paid one pair and I'll pay you $5. It means to say that when you pay, I will pay you 3 different binary plan by just paying one membership. One membership. I don't know what membership that you want to join. If you want 41, go ahead. Or if you want to join on $19.99, go ahead. If you want to join on $8.99, go ahead. Whether whatever you purchase, whatever you join, I'll pay you three different binary program. If you have one pair of 41, I'll pay you $20. If you have one pair of 99, I'll pay you $13. This $13, okay? This $13. Okay? $13. All right. And then if you have one pair of $8.99, I'll pay you $5. Three payouts. You only pay how much? You only pay how much, Mario? Sabrina, Barbara, how much did you pay? Oh, hold on. let me mute your microphone. Okay. Okay, who will answer me? How much did you?
Hello, Taron.
Yes, how many
Mario,
members?
Mario speaking.
Yeah, Mario, how many members did you pay? And I'll pay you 3 different binary payout.
Yeah, I just only list $8.99.
You only
Membership.
pay $8.99. My God.
Yes, sir, $8.99.
Only one payment?
Yes, sir, only one payment.
And how many payouts binary that I will pay you? How many?
3 binary payouts for
Oh my gosh.
one payment.
Oh my goodness. Hello. you only pay $8.99 and I'll pay you $20. Or if you join in 41 or if you join in 19, I'll pay you $13. You don't need to pay the three membership. You will only pay one membership and all the people will join you is one family tree. You will see it in one tree, in one binary tree. No separate family tree. all of those people who will join you will be under your 1-3. Wow! My goodness gracious. Again, if you join in 899 or if you join in 41 or if you join in 1999, every time you have one pair of 41, I'll pay you $20. Every time you have 1999, I'll pay you $13, $13, $13, $13, $13. And every time you have $899 pair, I'll pay you $5, $5, $5, $5, $5. My goodness. Example. Another example. I have a proof that explaining this membership, this program, that you need to refer people. If you don't earn, you don't refer people. Don't blame me. Don't blame your upline. Come on. What kind of intellectual you have? You want to earn without doing anything? My goodness. Who told you that? Who told you that? It's very clear in my presentation. Once you have 41, and look, and you have $8 here, and you have 19 membership here, and you have 41 on your right, and you have $19 on your right, and you have $8, 19 on your right, I will pay you one pair on your 41. You get paid $20. Wow! If you have $19.99, I'll pay you $12. I mean $13. This is $13. I'm sorry. This is $13. Okay? I'll pay you $13 for every pair of $19.99. And if you have one pair of $8.99, I'll pay you $5. Who told you that you will earn without repairing people? Where is my presentation that's saying, oh, you will earn here without doing anything? Are you crazy? Even the bank, when you deposited your money to the bank, you will earn penny.
1 cent.
1 cent. But if you want to do business like this, you refer people, you earn this kind of pairing bonus. That's why I'm telling you this is a very good opportunity in the world, because you only pay $8.99, or you only pay 41, or you only pay $19.99 one-time membership, and then I will help you save points on your port cycle. Every time you have port cycle, you earn $10 points, or you earn $19.99 $5 pairing bonus. And once you have points that equivalent to the amount of 300, you can buy that product voucher of the products, or if you want, you can buy an e-pins to register people. Imagine that. Why there is a product voucher? Oh my goodness! I need to earn. I will create a business. You will only earn. Me, I will not earn. I'm not crazy.
That's charity, that's not business.
Huh?
That's charity, that's not business.
Of course, I need to earn also. You earn pairing 3 pairs. You only pay one membership. You will earn lifetime every time you have one pair. But make me earn also. I don't understand those people. They want to join and they want to earn only. And when I earn in the product points, they don't want. Don't join us. Amazing. Amazing opportunity. You only pay one membership. I will pay you 3 different. This is 1-3. Everything is all under your one genealogy tree. Wow. Amazing. Very easy. Very easy. Now, excuse me, example. 20 new members join on your left. Okay? You don't know those people. Then they did not invest. They join in membership. I join in Zoom, right? I join in Zoom. I pay $19.99 for this Zoom. But what did I get? What services? Now I'm using this platform, right? Once you become a member, I will give you a platform that you can see all your people under you. You can see all your commissions on your platform. Wow, for just one-time payment. And I pay this server, this platform, every month. I pay every month just to give you a service like this, to give you a platform like this. You will not pay every month. You're lucky. In other company, you need to pay it every month. Oh my gosh. Why you're so lucky, man? Okay? And once, for example, you have 40 new members in 1 month or in 1 year. How much pair do you have? 20 pairs, right? So I will pay you 20 because the pairing is 20. The 20 will, the pending 20 points will still there. Don't worry. Once you pay those 20 again, I'll pay you again another 20, another pairs. Example, only 20 pairs you have right now. So how much did I pay you? $400. How much did you pay? $8.99. My gosh. Or $19.99. Okay. And then let's see how many 1999 membership join on your left. Let's see 60 new members on your left in 1 month or in 1 year. All right. And then you have 55 new members on your right. So I'll pay you 55 pairs. The 5 pending, don't worry. Once you pair again the 5 pairs, I'll pay you another pairing for $19.99. Guys, this is very easy compared to restaurant. In the restaurant, you need to wake up 4 a.m. in the morning. You need to cook. You need to cook a lot of food. So and then you will sell it from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening. And you need to get the customers. How much did you invest in the restaurant? How much did you pay for your store? But you need to have a customers. But here, you don't need to invest 5,000, 100,000, only $8.99 or $19.99 or $41. My gosh. If you are a smart person, you will love this. Example, you have 100 new members on your left in 1 month, in 2 months, in 5 months, in 1 year, and you have 250 new members on your right. How many pairs I paid you? 100 pairs. That's $500. How much the total? 1,560. How much did you pay? Maybe $8.99 only. Hello. Let me drink my coffee. Okay. My gosh. How very good is this? Richard, Richard, are you there? Richard, I saw your picture. From Papua New Guinea. Richard. I saw your picture. I want you to understand that I'm doing this business worldwide, not only in Solomon.
Yes, sir. I'm not from Papua New Guinea.
Very good. Yeah, you heard Richard, right? Thank you, Richard. All right. Amazing. I pay you $1,560. You only pay $8.99, or you only pay $19.99, or you only pay $41.99. But it's up to you. Whatever program you join, I'll pay you this. Where you can find a company like this, very generous. That's why don't listen to those negative people. Don't listen to those negative people. All right? Or you only paid 19.99 or 41 only. Whatever.
Can I ask you a
is
question?
your- later, after I finish it, okay? After I finish it. Now,
Okay, thank you.
you're welcome. Now, and this is all one family tree. One family tree. All right? Amazing. My goodness. Now, if you don't recruit people, that's not my problem anymore. Oh my goodness. Don't blame me. My gosh, you're lazy. And then you blame me. And then my company is not good. My goodness. If I'm your husband, I will file a divorce to you. Because you're lazy. I don't have future with you. Just kidding. But that's true. Okay? Example, you have 640 new members. On your left, 882 new members. You have 640 pairs. I'll pay you 12,800. Let's say, for example, you have 920 new members on your left after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years, and then you have 860 on your right. I'll pay you 860 members per bonus on 1999. That's 10,320. And if you have 12,000 members on your left on 899 or and 8,000 new members on 890 after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years, how much I paid you? $40,000. How much the total that I paid you? How much your potential income? 63,000. How much did you pay? How much did you pay? 899. Come on, man. And now you will tell me that my company is ugly. You are ugly. I'm just kidding, but that's true. You only pay $19.99 or $41. Wow. If you are smart, that you understood business, that when you put a business, you need to pay 5,000, 10,000, 100,000 to put up a fishing farm business, or to put a farm, or you need thousands of money to put up a construction business. And if you understood the business, you understand that you need to have customers. You need to have customers to go to your restaurant and eat. If you don't have customer, you will not earn in restaurant. If you have a fishing business, nobody buy your fish or vegetable, you don't earn because you have no customer. But in this company, you join membership, and when you refer friends, you will earn. If you don't refer people, you don't earn. But how much only did you pay? $8.99, 1999. Compared to 5,000, 100,000 capital in other business. If you understood the logic of the business, you will love this. You will love this. Okay? If you don't understand this and you are not attracted with this, if you are my husband, I will file a divorce later. Because I don't have future with you. Oh my gosh, you're so lazy. Okay. Okay. I'm just kidding. But that's true. Okay. Come on, man. All right. Now, register now. Contact the person who shared this opportunity with you. All right? That's it. That's it. Now, join 899 or you join 1999 plus tax or $41. Only pay one membership. Again, only pay one membership. And then I'll pay you whatever people join, whatever membership that your friends pick to join. I'll pay you pairing bonuses from those three different pairing amount of money. Wow. Amazing. Do you like